Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. For today's video, I'm going to show you how easy it is to create this look in just a few steps. You can do this pretty quick if you don't have time to do your makeup, but you want to look nice, something simple, something cute. This can be for work, for school, to go out with your friends, or just anything. And I feel like it's perfect for beginners, and I also did not apply fake eyelashes to keep it really simple, so I really hope you guys like this look. And I'm going to get started really quick. First, I'm going to apply this concealer from Cosmetics. I'm going to apply a little bit on my eyelid, and as you can see, I already cleaned the bottom of my eyebrows, and I'm going to blend that out with the Cosmetics sponge, and I do it in tapping motions, making sure I blend out the edges really good. I like to use the concealer as a primer because it really makes everything look even and hides the darkness, the redness, or the little veins that show on your eyelid. And this really makes the eyeshadow last long. I like to use it like 1 or 2 shades lighter than my skin tone. Once it's nice and blended, I'm going to move on to the eyeshadows. I'm going to be using the LA Girl Pro Mastery eyeshadow palette. The first eyeshadow I'm going to grab is this one right here, and I'm going to be using the Cosmetics crease brush. I'm going to apply it in tapping motions right on my crease, and then once it's on my crease, I'm going to start blending it out in circular motions. And I like to stretch my eyelid by lifting up my eyebrow, and that way I can just see exactly where I have to blend it out a little bit more, and it does help. It does blend out the eyeshadow a lot faster and easier. And when you're blending out eyeshadows, you want to make sure you don't have a lot of product on the brush. You just use whatever is left on the brush. That's why I like to apply it lower, which is right on my crease. Just have most of the product on that area right there, and then when I start blending it out, I just use whatever's left on the brush, and it's gonna move higher, but it's gonna look nice and blended. I feel like that's the best way to blend out eyeshadows. I'm also going to apply that eyeshadow on my lower lash line, but I'm using a smaller brush. This brush comes in the Rimmel eyeshadow palette, and I always like to apply it as close to the lash line as I can, and I blend it out a little bit lower. And I'm going to apply this eyeshadow from the inner corner all the way to the outer corner, making sure I connect it with the eyeshadow on the top. And I will apply 2 layers on this area right here just to deepen up the shade a little bit. Then I'm going to grab this shimmery pink eyeshadow. It's from the same eyeshadow palette, and I'm going to apply it with my finger on my eyelid. And since I didn't set the concealer in the beginning, it's still a bit creamy on the lid, so that's going to help to make the pigmentation and the shimmer stand out. And it looks really nice and really simple, and it's such a cute shade. And to blend out the edges, I'm also going to use my finger, and I like to stretch my eyelid right here too, and it helps to blend out the edges right on the crease. And I just go like in tapping motions or swiping kind of, but very lightly right on the edge with my finger. I just go down like that, and I use the very tip of my finger, and that blends it out really good. And with that, I'm pretty much done with the eyeshadow, and as you saw, it was pretty quick and easy. And now, instead of applying fake eyelashes to make this look stay looking like simple like this, I'm just going to curl my eyelashes with my favorite eyelash curler. I'll leave the link to where I got this one in the description box below, and it was just $2, and I got it at Target. And I always have to say it because it's seriously my favorite, and I always recommend it. I'm going to make sure all of my eyelashes are in the eyelash curler, and just keep curling them like 10 seconds, and then when I take it off, I keep pushing on the eyelash curler like this, and that way they can be even more curled. Now I'm going to apply my favorite drugstore mascara. It's the Maybelline Lash Stiletto. I really love the brush. The bristles separate my eyelashes really good, and I always recommend this mascara. You guys should definitely try it if you haven't already. First, I like to make sure it's a bit dry because I don't like when it's too liquidy, and I do this with every single mascara I use when I'm applying mascara and I don't wear fake eyelashes. So I just leave it out for like 10 seconds, and then I apply the mascara. I like to close my eyes as I'm brushing them up, that way I can push the eyelashes towards the little brush, and it's just going to brush them really nice. And I make sure I apply it from the roots all the way to the tip, and kind of do like a little zigzag and brush them up and twist the brush. These are little things, like little details that I do as I'm applying mascara that make a huge difference. But yeah, you guys should definitely try this mascara, and I always apply 2 layers when I don't wear fake eyelashes, but I always make sure the first layer is dry, completely dried up, and then I apply the second layer. And for the second layer, I pretty much do the same thing, but this time I go over the tip of the eyelashes. This part is what's going to help make your eyelashes look a bit longer, just adding that little bit of product on the very tip of your eyelashes. Just don't apply a lot of pressure because then that's going to apply too much product and they might look clumpy. So just do it very lightly, and I have a little close up here just so you guys can see the eyelashes better. And of course, I'm also going to apply mascara to my lower lashes. I only apply one layer right here, and they look really, really nice, and I really loved the completed look. It's so simple and cute. I feel like it's perfect for school or work because it's really quick and easy to do. And I wanted to show you guys a few lipsticks I really loved with this look. The first one's this one. This one's from ColourPop, I believe. I don't remember the name, but I'll have the product list in the description box below. But this one's super, super cute brown lippy for this look. But if you want something dramatic, a nice dark purple lipstick would look really nice, and it just changes the whole look. It kind of looks dramatic, but it's just the lipstick that's so dark, and like it catches people's attention, and you just look really nice. And this is like if you want to go out with your friends, like have a night out or something, or a date night. I feel like this will look really nice and simple and so cute. But yeah, let me know what you guys think in the comments below. I really hope you guys liked it, and I hope this tutorial helped you, especially if you're a beginner. So let me know in the comments below what you think and what other videos you'd want me to film. Please don't forget to give me a thumbs up if you did like this look, and share this video with your friends and your family, and also follow me on my Instagram and my Facebook. Thank you all so much for your love and your support. I love you, and I will see you in my next video. Bye!